Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download your JotForm into a PDF format? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download a PDF of your JotForm anyways? That's pretty easy. If you're running a brick and mortar business, sometimes it's good to get customer feedback, and you might already have a JotForm to email out to your customers, but you might want to print it out for your in-person customers as well. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and download a PDF version of one of your JotForms, you're going to click on all forms here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your JotForms. You can see I just have these two. So you just want to hover over the JotForm that you want to download as a PDF. So for example, this one, if you hover over it, it's going to turn this kind of purplish color. Off to the right, you're going to see three buttons. There's actually two different ways you can get the PDF. The easiest way is click on more. Once you click on more, you want to click on publish form. Okay, once you click on publish form, you're going to see this menu here at the top, and you want to click on PDF. Okay, here is where you can go ahead and download a PDF version of your JotForm. You just click on download. Okay, so here is the PDF version of my JotForm, as you can see. So we can easily just download it right here and then print it out. So that's the first way. Let me go back to the home screen. Okay, so here I am back on the home screen. The second way that you can find the PDF version of your JotForm is hover over, and then instead of clicking on more, click on edit form. Once you click on edit form, it's going to bring you here to the JotForm form builder. And here at the top, you're going to see three options, but you want to click on publish. Once you click on publish, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on PDF right here. Okay, and then it's basically the same thing. You just click on download. Okay, so now it opens up once again. So again, you can go ahead and just download it right to your computer. Okay, so here is the PDF version, so we can go ahead and print that out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download a PDF version of one of your JotForms, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.